Only 2,000 of these made. Red wheels on her, 2 big tips. So cheeky, I love it. It's not a wrap, it's not a wrap, I keep saying. Posing, got a little pink monkey. Many carbon touches. This video is sponsored by Stay Loyal, an out-and-out automotive brand created by yours truly. Check out our website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now you currently join me on Bank Holiday Monday and we're here at the very sunny Sandbanks, a local beauty spot to us here down south. Also a place where little mini car meets are held and all the car people come. So as you might be able to see from behind me at the moment, I've actually kind of hijacked an Abarth meet. I've turned up in the Honda, but don't worry, the Honda is tucked out the way. So this little mini meet is organised by the local Abarth group which goes by Bad Abarth South Coast. I've been to their meets before and they've decided just to put on this little mini meet down Sandbanks for Bank Holiday Monday. So let's check out the Abarths that are here so far. This is Sandbanks, quite known for its water sports, got paddle boarding, what's that, kite surfing and stuff. There's no zoom on the GoPro, so you have to believe me. We've got some of the Abarth peeps down there and some of the Abarths. First of all, this one's actually parked on its own, but look at these lovely red wheels on her. They look nice and spaced out as well. So this is a Abarth bicolour, the solid white and the black, which is divided in the middle by a little red strip. Obviously this is a convertible. The roof is down here at sunny Sandbanks. Got the nice Abarth decal on the side there. Just take a look at the inside. Oh, she's an auto, like the white dash, leather seats, roof down all the way. Of course, this is very nice. Little private plate on there as well. Loving the wheels actually, because you got a little bit of red on the body with the big red on the wheel, so I like that a lot. With the Record Monza exhaust, of course, a must have on any Abarth for sure. And we parked the Honda logo out the way. Martin's in here chilling.
Oh, it's lovely.
Waiting for the KFC we're going to go to later, yeah?
Finger licking good. KFC.
Bye Martin.
Bye.
Just left Martin there chilling in the Honda, posing. Seen this Turismo before with the nice Turismo private plate. Don't know if I've seen this bit before though. They've got the yellow scorpion in there and the red striping on the rear diffuser there as well. Repping the Bad Abarth Club, of course. I'm liking this badge down there as well. Can you see that, guys? Very nice. We've got the Ferrari style Abarth badge on their wing as well. Got Leon's Abarth Cabriolet here as well. Absolutely love this colour. It's one of my favourite colours Abarth did, alongside the yellow and adrenaline green. A few motorsport kind of stickers going on here. Got the blue with actually the grey soft top group, which actually looks nice together, like in the checkerboard stickers on the side as well. And it looks like down there, exhaust wise, we've got 2 big tips and it looks like a Magneti Marelli exhaust system on there as well. Daryl's brought along his 595 Turismo. I've known Daryl from back in the Abarth days locally, so I've known Daryl for quite a while, but he's had this car for such a long time, so credit to him, because I definitely can't keep cars long enough, we all know that. Just have a quick look around. He's got the Maxton spoiler extension there on the spoiler. He's recently got these private plates, I think DB, so Daryl and his last name, and then we've got red, because obviously the car is red. Now I really like this little touch he said to me. So it's got on the bottom of the number plate a little Shakespeare quote, and it's perfect for the Abarth. It says, "Though she be but little, she is fierce," and I absolutely love that quote. So cheeky, I love it. We got the magnetic Marelli exhaust system on here as well. I didn't know that. And we got a nice Italian coloured scorpion on the rear diffuser. Repping at the Bad Abarth Club sticker on the rear window, and a cheeky little fierce panda. And Daryl said he's just had his Turismo remap from 160 horsepower, it's now running 178, so yeah, not bad improvements for sure. And he's also got quite a nice, we saw this last time I saw Daryl's car actually, like a 50-50 split front splitter there as well, with a bit of carbon touches. So we've got Abarths over there. The Abarths come all the way down as well. It's got to be at least 15 Abarths here, guys, for sure. So I really like this Abarth. I've seen this one before as well, but just a quick run through. This one has got many carbon touches, such as the front splitter, mirror covers, the nice wheels as well, carbon touches on the rear. Yeah, very nice. And we've also got massive exhaust down there as well. Aquapovic, of course, one of the best for sure. A nice and white Abarth 505 Competizione. Really like this shape of wheel as well, the style of wheel, shall I say. Very nice. Just take a little peek on the inside. It is a manual, got the really lovely save-out seats in the tan and black, so the half leather. Also got the carbon back seats as well, and a cheeky little armrest which don't come with the Abarth as standard, so yeah, smells nice in here as well. And in front of the white one we have another 595 Competizione in one of my favourite colours, as I said earlier, in the yellow. Got the Abarth mud flaps, I really like them, just think they add a bit of like stance to the rear of the car. Got the diamond cat wheels, I've also had them before myself in the Abarth. Got the red, we got the red painted calipers as well behind the wheels. The cloth seats in this one, I think. Another bad Abarth sticker and a nice Italian colours. This one to the eye looks standard, but we've got the nice stripes, the black mirrors, the black stickers on the side, black and yellow for the win. And I wheelie, I like this one. Another Competizione Series 3 model, this one. So we've got the nice grey and we've got the yellow stripes, again yellow being one of my favourite ever colours. Also got a cheeky little reverse camera on there. Nice yellow Abarth badge overlay, black Abarth comp badges as well. The yellow scorpion on the rear diffuser, record Monza at the rear. Again, that style of wheel that I really like. The yellow centre caps, the yellow stripes down the side, yellow Brumbo brakes through the front wheel there, and well, I'll show you through the roof actually. Tan save-out seats there as well. I haven't got the carbon back, so I didn't have carbon backs with my save-outs that I had on my Competizione that I had back in the day either. The grey and yellow is really nice. Love the yellow touches. Oh, we got yellow fog lights around, yellow Abarth lettering in the front grille, yellow again in the grille there, another black and yellow Abarth badge. Yeah, I really like this one. The yellow touches really make the car, I think. Got another Abarth here, obviously, because I'm filming Abarth here at the meet. Ripple Bonzo exhaust there, another Italian coloured Scorpion and a diffuser. Sorry, we are filming on the main road. Multi-spoke wheels. This is 70th edition one, so you've got the plaques with them on the each side and the rear wings. The red mirrors, got the red rim blade protectors on, which actually they do a thing and they actually add to the styling of any car, I think. Got the white Abarth lettering in the grille, red on the bottom of the diffuser at the front, or the splitter shall I say. Red fog lights around, really like these touches that people do on the cars nowadays. Italian colour in there as well. Another 595 Turismo, so I had a car exactly like this. I mean, it was a Series 3 Turismo like this, and it also had the lovely sliding back panoramic sunroof in there. Got a little bit of carbon effect here on the door pillars. Really nice when the diamond cut wheels are nice and clean, like these ones are on this car. We've got another magnetic Morelli exhaust system, big tip either side. Italian coloured Scorpion as well. Got a couple of little, that's cool. And on the inside there, I used to also have these seats in my Turismo. You've got the leather tan seats in there. Also got Sammy's Abarth here. I've just realised actually, TRC front splitter on the front. Very nice. The red calipers again, the brushed chrome mirrors, the wind deflectors. Actually, the red leather, you can just see there. Don't see many Abarths of red leather, but I absolutely love it. You've got the white Abarth logo in the headrest there as well. Stitched in, of course. We've got a spoiler extension as well, not sure what brand that is. And we've got the record Monza on the back of her Turismo, and we've got another Scorpion that's actually black and grey. And also I find, because these are not sports seats as such, they're still they're very comfortable, yeah. Smells nice in there as well.
Club air freshener.
Is it? Oh, okay. Abarth sunstrip on there. I've also seen this Abarth a few times before, but I like it because it's pretty modified. We've got a wrap roof, for example, to match the kind of matte black, satin black wheels there. Another big old exhaust system there. Roof wrap going onto the bonnet with some of the decals on the car as well, very nice. What we're saying about this is actually it's not a wrap, it's actually painted. Painted, isn't it? Painted. It's not a wrap, it's not a wrap, I keep saying, it's painted, this one.
He would have known if he lifted the hood.
I didn't know. I've said twice it's wrapped. Love seeing this car, seen this one before as well. It's one of the rare 595 Scorpiano editions. The black and gold theme is just how it came, but that isn't how it came. Got a nice badge, black and gold badge overlay on there. The gold 595 badge on the rear with the really nice gold wheels. Again, this is just how this edition comes. Only 2,000 of these made, so they're a limited edition run of this model. Very nice glossy red Abarth here as well. Let's have a little look at the inside. Got the red matching dashboard there. We've got a little pink monkey, I don't know why. But yeah, very, very glossy. Look at that paintwork. Red is a very popular colour for the Abarth. Obviously red is kind of like a little sporty colour, so yeah, it's probably why you see so many in red. Just spotted this cheeky little Abarth at the back here, an all black convertible, which is very, very nice. Another Series 3 on a 2014 plate. This is lush. So the black wheels, the yellow calipers, got the smoked side repeaters there as well. Full on convertible roof, black soft top with the tan leather seats. Oh, what a combo. I'm loving the all black. I think that's really smart. Oh my god. Look at them bad boys. Do that Teslas people do. They are absolutely huge. So I'm about to head off now in the Honda. Shh, don't tell us Abarth lot. So this has been a great little casual meet held by the Bad Abarth South Coast. As I say, I've been to a lot of their meets in the past recently, filmed a lot of them as well for YouTube. I had a chat with some of their club members, very friendly as per. That's just what the Abarth community is like, and it's nice to be part of it here and there. So I hope you've enjoyed this little Bath video. Thought I'd film it at the nice sandbanks. Thanks for watching, see you on another one.